Today we're going to talk about how to repurpose a tutorial project to get a software job. As many of you know that I run a boot camp here in North Carolina and we teach people to code, and we have our curriculum that gets you out and become a full stack web developer. However, I fully realize that you guys that are watching this channel, you may not be able to come to our boot camp, so you're looking at other resources. And since the focus of the channel is to help you get that first software job, let's talk about some of those other resources and how we can use those to get a job. So the first tip I want to give you is if you're using online resources to either learn how to code or reinforce what you've already learned from school or boot camp, is make sure that you're getting courses that end in a project. So they should be project-based tutorials or project-based courses. If the course has just a kind of a bunch of labs that are kind of loosely connected, I don't think those are as strong as project-based courses. So look for all project-based courses. And we're going to look at one specifically called the Web Developer Bootcamp by Colt Steele. Now, he has built a course that over 500,000 people have taken on Udemy.
How many?
Lots.
But one thing that I think you ought to think about is how can we make this experience better? At the end of this course, you build something called Yelp Camp. Now, Yelp Camp is a Node.js, MongoDB, full stack web development course. Now, we think that building full stack web dev, it is the fastest growing job in America, and these are the types of skills you should pursue. Now, as you know in Coder Foundry, if you're concerned about MVC and C# ASP.NET, well, I'm also going to show you a similar resource that you can use to utilize the same thing. So I want you to take one of these project-based courses and let's take that to the next level. Now I'm going to make you two promises. The one thing is, what I'm about to show you will reinforce your learning from the course, so we can make that better. And second, I think we can make these projects out of both of these courses more portfolio ready. I don't think Yelp Camp by itself, just as it is coming out of the course verbatim, is portfolio ready. I think you can make it much better. To be crystal clear, I just want you to make sure that you understand that I'm not criticizing the Web Developer Bootcamp from Colt Steele. I actually think it's really good. And the reason I think it's really good is because it leads to a project. And I think that any tutorial you take should be project-based. So now that it's leading to the end of a project, let's talk about the actual project at the end of this course that you get, which is Yelp Camp. Now, 500,000 people have taken this course, which means that it's on a lot of people's portfolios and they all look the same. And I think that's the first problem, is that the students, and that's you, are probably taking this tutorial project and you're taking it and putting it in your portfolio verbatim. And I think that's a mistake that we're making. And what I want you to do is aspire to make something new. Now, if you can take the skills that you learned in, say, a Colt Steele course, or if you're looking at ASP.NET MVC, you could look at something called MVC Movie, and you can go to MVC Movie and it'll walk you through the same kinds of full stack web development process as with Colt Steele's course. It's free and it's on Microsoft's site, and you can learn about C#, authorization, authentication, database access, CRUD, all of those things that you'll learn, and you'll build a site to kind of catalog and create movies. I think that you can do either one of these and you're going to get the same kind of result. But I don't want you to take the projects, the end result of this, say like Yelp Camp, and just stick it straight on your portfolio, because A, it's going to look like everyone else's Yelp Camp. Now, if you type in Yelp Camp in a browser, you'll see what I'm talking about. You'll see that you can go to and look at multiple people's sites and they all have similar problems. You'll see a lot of just Yelp Camp and just GitHub. And I don't think that really demonstrates skill. And that reminds me, because this video is brought to you by Atlantic.net. Now, Atlantic.net provides great VPS hosting, and they're offering a free 1 gig virtual server with SSDs, block storage, and snapshots for 1 year. That's a free server for 1 year, plus $25 in free credits to use on other services they offer. Try Atlantic.net to host your portfolio, develop, test, or launch that next project. Ease of use is something I like, and I set my virtual server up in a matter of minutes. So it's very easy to use. So go to Atlantic.net/Coder Foundry and enter the code Bobby to get that $25 free credit. And I think that every one of your projects should be professionally hosted. I don't think GitHub's strong enough, and I'm going to say that I think it needs to be where you can actually click on and use it. And I'm going to tell you why in a second. Because what I want you to do is take Yelp Camp, either make a brand new project, and when you do this, and you make something a new work, it reinforces your learning. It makes you take the pattern that you learned in the course and apply that to a new work. But if you can't think of a brand new project based on that, you can take Yelp Camp or MVC Movie to the next level. And here's how you would do it. I would take something like Campground API, and I would actually load in real campsite data. Because one of the problems I see is like broken images, and then they're using filler text like lorem ipsum.
Well, what about bacon ipsum?
No.
What about zombie ipsum?
No.
Samuel L. ipsum, surely.
Definitely not.
Which one is it? It's the one that said bad.
So we're using these things to fill data, and that means that the data itself is not real. And so the project therefore is not real. So imagine if you're interviewing and you're going to a Yelp campsite and it's got all this kind of filler data. It's not a real campsite. A lot of the pictures are broken, and the UI looks like all the other 500,000 Yelp camps you see during the interview process. It's not gonna set you apart. But if you use something like Campground API and you load in real data, real campsites into that, and then use your database access to create where people can review, crowdsource reviews, or anything like that, where you're still collecting data on the database side, but you're using real data to show the user. That makes your site infinitely more interesting. We did the same thing with MVC Movie, where we created a site called Movie Pro, and Movie Pro allows us to crowdsource reviews for movies, but we use the TMDb API to get into actual posters, the cast, the crew, etc. And then the same thing applies to Yelp Camp. Use the Campground API. And now here's the hot tip that I think is really relevant. Let's say that you're interviewing in North Carolina. You could build your Yelp Camp to show all the great campground sites using Campground API in the state of North Carolina. And so therefore you've kind of hyper localized it to your interviewing manager, and they're like, wow, I didn't know that campground was there or this or whatever. Or you could build something like a national search, and then you could filter it by state, and it makes your site interesting and easy to use. And I promise you, if you look at and pay attention to the UI and make it cool looking and beneficial to the hiring manager, they're gonna be more interested in you as a candidate, and not where they think that you just copied a course and slapped it onto your portfolio without much thought. I'd like to thank Atlantic.net for making this video possible. And to sum this up, go take Colt Steele's Web Developer Bootcamp course, spend the $12 on it, and build a Yelp Camp. But here's the thing I want you to do, whether you're doing MVC Movie or Yelp Camp, is I want you to aspire to take it to the next level. I think if you take it to the next level with paying attention to the UI and using an API integration, I think you have a better chance of getting that first software job. And I would love if you build a Yelp Camp 2 or some kind of Yelp Camp on steroids. I would love to see what you come up with. If you like the content on our channel, we ask that you please subscribe and hit notifications so you can be notified of all the great content that's coming out. If you'd like to come to the bootcamp, Coder Foundry, to learn how to code, we would love to be your teacher, your coach, or your mentor. Go to coderfoundry.com/job roadmap. My team will help you get on your way to getting that first software job. So anyway, I hope that helps. Good luck and keep coding.